Namaste everyone and welcome to Data Millennials.
In this video, we are going to work with the SQL OR operator. Before we write query for this SQL OR operator, let's define it first. What exactly is this SQL OR operator, right? So the SQL OR is a logical operator that allows you to combine two or more than two Boolean expression, and it will return true when either of the condition evaluates to be true. So let's take an example and see how we can use our OR operator in SQL. Now first we have to create a scenario here that what exactly would be the problem and how we can solve it. So the problem would be something like this, that we want the list of all subscribers who has either product A or product B. So when I'm saying either product A or product B, this means that if I am that subscriber, then my name will only be in the result set if I have taken product A or product B. So suppose I have taken product B and I have not used product A, then my name should be in that list. Or in the opposite scenario, I have taken product A but I have not used product B. In this scenario also my name will be there. So let's write the query for that. So I have this normal query, select a star from this database and this table, right? Then I'll create a condition here. So for creating condition, we use this where clause, right? After where, we'll put our condition. So our condition is that even if a subscriber has taken product A or product B, then their name should be in our list, right? So what we'll write after where is that the column name in which we want to evaluate our condition. So the column is product A, product underscore A is equal to yes, or product underscore B is equal to yes. So when we write this query, before running this query, let's assume what would be our result set. So the result set should be something like this. So for example, this one, row number 6, Dorian D'Souza has product B but he have not used product A. So ideally Dorian D'Souza should come in our result set, right? Similarly, if we see this row number 1, right, this person has not taken product A as well as product B, so this will not be in our result set. So let's run this query and see what would be our result set here. Okay, so the first row that comes as our result set is Marian. He has product A and product B, so the condition fulfills. Either of these two columns, product A or product B, should be yes. So the first condition for product A is yes, so this one is returned. So the SQL query will not check for product B column. Now if we take this row number 4 with subscriber ID 103, this Dorian D'Souza, this product A is no, so he has not taken product A. Then the SQL query will check whether he has taken product B or not, and the query found out that yes, he has taken product B. That's why this row number 4, subscriber ID 103, is returned in our result set. So this is how basically the OR operator work. So the OR operator will be evaluated on both of the condition for product underscore A and product underscore B. But if product underscore A is yes, then it won't go and check product underscore B because the condition has been fulfilled in a single column. Now if the product underscore A is no, then only this OR operator will go and check the second condition, which is product underscore B is equal to yes. And if the result is true, then it will return that row as our output or the result set. So this is how basically the OR operator works in SQL. In our next video, we'll work with the NOT operator in SQL.
Hey, if you find this video insightful, then do check out other videos and hit the like and subscribe button.